Hey everybody, today we're going to make a snowman. Now this isn't too complicated, it's pretty simple. Each section shouldn't be too long. So it's good if you're just kind of new, if you're new and learning Tinkercad. So what we'll start off now is, if you're not already at Tinkercad, go on over and open up a new file, a new design, and we're going to start off with a sphere. Alright, so kind of get it into the spirit of the snowman, we're going to turn it white, and we're going to enlarge it. So right now it's 20, so let's make it 40. So we'll frame in, select the corner, and pull out, and let's do it all the way to 40. There we go. So get back to center and frame in. Alright, so I'm going to do pretty much the classic snowman, the three part snowman. So there's another sphere and then a sphere on the top for the head. So let's select this one if it isn't already selected. And you're going to go under Edit, Duplicate, and raise it up 26 millimeters. We're going to select the corner and we're going to shift it down. Let's go down to 30. Okay. Alright, so it's not centered, which is okay. It's very easy to fix. Select them both, go under Adjust, Align, and we're going to center them here and here. There. Okay. Now we'll select the middle one, and we're going to go Edit, Duplicate, and we're going to raise this up. Let's go about 20. Okay, and we'll do the same. Select the left corner, hold Shift with your left mouse button, click and push in, and let's go down. Let's try 25. See how that looks. Alright, I'm going to go to Adjust and Align after selecting all of them. There. Looks pretty cool. Okay. Maybe just a little smaller. Select corner, Shift, and go to 21.50. Alright. Let's do it again. Adjust, Align. Okay, let's move him up a little bit. There we go. That looks better. Okay. So we have our snowman body blocked out. So we'll get into more details into his face. We'll start working on his face in the next lesson. See you then. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.